Don't we all? What do you mean? Oh, I don't have swag, but I do have depression. If you just write, if you just write, I have swag, you'll have swag. It's just that easy. You don't understand? What do you don't understand? Can I make a tutorial? Okay, guys, I don't understand what's so hard to understand about this. Create a dashboard. If I go here, right here, where it says send a message, right? I have swag, and I hit enter. I instantly have swag. It's just that easy. It's just that easy. Can I use the word in a sentence? Swag. You guys have swag. It's so true. It's so true. You had the best day ever. Oh my god, I'm so happy for you. It's not fucking Fortnite Friday.
You don't understand how much pain I went through just to make this video. Okay, so here's what was happening. You see, when I have OBS open, you see, it shows what's going on. But when I would go over here to my files, like, you know, I mean, this one doesn't have, this is just a black screen anyway. But, like, you see, like, when I would just open the files and they would be a black screen. And I didn't know what was going on. So, like, I was going over here and fucking around with my OBS settings because I was like, I don't know what's gonna fix it. I don't, So then, like, I look, man, at this point, I don't know what fixed it. I really don't. But, like, I came over here and I changed this rate control to CQP and set this to 1 and, like, I don't know. It just worked. I don't know. I don't know if that's what did. I changed a lot of things. I don't. Please help. But hey, on the bright side, maybe I'll actually get back to making videos now. Oh, by the way, that wasn't even the main reason why I was dead for so long.